Alright, here's where we're at so far with the installation. I bolted my compressor box to the frame. I pinched the ground in behind it. I went ahead and cleaned up the frame rail real good so it makes good grounding contact. I got the positive wire up in here. Here is the air hose. I got the air hose leaving the compressor, and it goes up and around into the frame up here. Right over there, it goes to a T, and then I got one end coming out. This side is going to go up to my gauge, and the other end of the T goes off and gets teed to that airbag right there and that airbag right there. So that's the two T's. I'm just going to hook up this gauge. We got a fused power coming from my fuse box, and this is going into the on switch. That's going to be up at the top. All right. And then we got this one over here coming out. This goes all the way down and around out to my pump. So those are going in. It's also spliced here going into the light for the gauge. Now I used the same crimp in here instead of those wire splicers. I like a hard crimped connection better. That's just me. You're welcome to do it how you do it. And also, here we go, I got it spliced into the ground right here for the wire right there. That's also going to be the light.
So now you just got to run from that control panel in under the dash straight to your battery. Hook that up, tie that down, and then you'll have power.